Welcome to channel. Please hit like and subscribe to see more reviews on products. Ninja OL701 Foodi 14-in-1 Smart XL8 QT. Pressure cooker steam fryer with smart lid and thermometer plus auto steam release, that air fries, proofs and more, 3-layer capacity, 5 QT. Crisp basket, silver/black. Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pressure Cooker Steam Fryer, extra large, family-sized capacity with the ability to pressure cook, air fry and steam crisp, all under one smart lid. Foodi Smart Thermometer enables you to achieve even more accurate results at the touch of a button. No more guesswork. Smart Cook System, with 4 smart protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done. 3 auto steam release controls allow you to select your desired pressure release setting. SmartLid Slider, slide to unlock 3 cooking modes and 14 cooking functions all under one lid. Steam Crisp Technology, steam and crisp at the same time for faster, juicier, crispier results without drying out. vs Ninja Foodi OL701 in dry mode only. Deluxe reversible rack, double your cooking capacity or make 3-component full meals at the touch of a button, mains and sides all done at the same time. Faster cooking, prepare quicker meals with up to 70% faster cooking, versus slow cooking, 40% faster one-touch meals, versus traditional cooking methods, and 25% faster artisan bread and cakes, versus traditional ovens. To find current price on Amazon, click link in description below.